Hello everyone. I'm Terri, and I'm making a series of videos on familiar topics all around us. Today, let's move on to people relationships, starting with family relatives, one of the most essential topics for daily conversation. This video includes important vocabulary related to family members and relationships, with 50 useful words for your English learning. To learn vocabulary effectively, you can 1. Grab a pen and paper, listen carefully, and try to repeat the new words out loud. 2. Listen to the example sentences in the video and write them down. You can also create your own examples using these words to remember them better. 3. Keep listening to the video until you can recognize and remember all the words. You can adjust the playback speed in the settings, speed, to match your level, slow it down or challenge yourself with a faster pace. Now, let's learn together with me, Terri. I'm learning along with you too. We have 5 parts of family relatives vocabulary. Part 1. Family, 12 words. Let's begin with the basics. Vocabulary to describe your immediate family like parents, siblings, and children. Part 2. Relatives, 10 words. Next, we'll expand to relatives like cousins, aunts, uncles, and in-laws to help you describe your extended family. Part 3. Relationship states actions, 13 words. In this part, we'll cover vocabulary for relationship status and common actions in relationships, like dating, arguing, or bonding. Part 4. Character emotions, 9 words. Here, you'll learn adjectives and phrases to describe personality and emotional states, very useful for everyday conversations. Part 5. Events bonding actions, 6 words. Finally, we'll learn words about events and activities that bring people closer, such as weddings, reunions, and celebrations. Listen carefully, repeat the words, and follow my notes at the end.
Part 1, Vocabulary for Family. 1. Father. My father is kind and hardworking. 2. Mother. My mother enjoys painting. 3. Brother. My brother is learning to cook. 4. Sister. My sister loves reading novels. 5. Son. Their son plays soccer every weekend. 6. Daughter. Their daughter loves baking cakes. 7. Parents. My parents often take morning walks. 8. Children. Children need love and guidance. 9. Baby. The baby is crawling on the carpet. 10. Sibling. I have a very supportive sibling. 11. Household. There are 6 people in our household. 12. Loving. They have a loving family. Part 2. Vocabulary for relatives. 13. Grandfather. My grandfather tells amazing stories. 14. Grandmother. My grandmother enjoys knitting. 15. Uncle. My uncle likes fishing during holidays. 16. Aunt. My aunt makes delicious desserts. 17. Cousin. My cousin and I often chat online. 18. Nephew. My nephew loves collecting stamps. 19. Niece. My niece enjoys learning to dance. 20. Grandparents. Grandparents love spoiling their grandchildren. 21. Relatives. We visited our relatives last weekend. 22. Reunion. The family reunion was a joyful occasion. Part 3. Vocabulary for relationship states actions. 23. Get married. They are planning to get married soon. 24. Tie the knot. They tied the knot in a small ceremony. 25. Fall in love. They fell in love during their college years. 26. Break up. The couple decided to break up last month. 27. Divorce. Divorce can be emotionally challenging. 28. Reconcile. They reconciled after the argument. 29. Celebrate. Families celebrate holidays together. 30. Get engaged. They got engaged last weekend. 31. Propose. He proposed to her during a romantic dinner. 32. Growth. Family growth is a beautiful journey. 33. Period. This period is crucial for family bonding. 34. Move in. They decided to move in together. 35. Fall out. They fell out over a minor disagreement.
Part 4. Vocabulary for character emotions. 36. Affectionate. My grandmother is very affectionate. 37. Devoted. He is devoted to his family. 38. Understanding. She is an understanding partner. 39. Grateful. She is grateful for her family's support. 40. Compassionate. He is compassionate towards his relatives. 41. Happy. Family gatherings make everyone happy. 42. Proud. Her parents are proud of her achievements. 43. Respectful. A respectful attitude builds strong relationships. 44. Supportive. Her siblings are very supportive of her dreams. Part 5. Vocabulary for events bonding actions. 45. Bond. They bond by sharing family traditions. 46. Gather. Families gather for special occasions. 47. Share. Family members share both joys and struggles. 48. Reunite. They reunite every summer for family vacations. 49. Satisfy. Parents work hard to satisfy their children's needs. 50. Anniversary. Their anniversary celebration was heartwarming.
That's a wrap for today's lesson on family relatives, a subtopic in our people relationships vocabulary series. I hope you had fun and picked up some useful words to use in your everyday conversations. But don't stop here. Our next episode will move into a brand new theme, work education, starting with the subtopic office workplace. We'll explore the vocabulary you need to talk confidently about your daily tasks, colleagues, meetings, and more. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any episodes in this English vocabulary series. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.